Hey Josiah, Aunt Russie, and Hopi here. We are going to try to show you some of the noises that Hope makes. She makes all kinds of noises, and we're going to see if she'll do them for you. So, now, a warning from Mommy and Daddy and Sissy. Sometimes this can be very loud, so if Sissy is napping, make sure not to watch this video or keep the volume turned way down. Okay, you ready? Oh! Now, Hope is a pack animal, so she likes to talk to the people in her pack. And Uncle Brian and I are a part of her pack, so she talks to us. That's the only time she howls. But she usually doesn't howl. But she likes to go rah, 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 rah. Don't you? You go rah, 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 rah. Rah, rah. Oh! Rah, 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 rah. Rah, 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 rah. Alright, I think she wants down now, but maybe when you get to see Hope in May, you can talk with her a little bit. I think she will like that very, very much, won't you? Won't you?